Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you to create a business plans with ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, ask ChatGPT for a business plan template. For example, create a business plan for a small coffee shop. You'll get sections like executive summary, market analysis, product market strategy, and financials. Then, customize each section. Use follow-ups like expand the marketing plan with social media strategies or add estimated startup cost and revenue projections. Need it polished? Ask ChatGPT. Format this for a PowerPoint pitch deck or make this investor ready. Always be specific. The more detail you provide, target audience, locations, goal, the better the plan ChatGPT generates. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.